Introducing our Aussie Scud high pressure cleaners. They're built here in Australia, they're built tough for Australian conditions, and they're made for continuous cleaning applications. What makes them different? We use high quality components, so they're designed for performance and durability. And we do all this at an exceptional price. So what is it about the Aussie Scud that makes it so good? Well, first of all, it has a genuine Honda engine. It will start first time every time. It has oil alert, and of course Honda have a legendary extensive service network. We use high quality Bertolini XXX pumps on all our pressure cleaners. They're made in Italy to exceptionally high standards. They have a beautifully crafted high efficiency brass pump head. They have high quality pure ceramic pistons. It has a smart crankcase with high thermal conductivity. This means lower running temperatures, and that extends seal life and pump life. All Aussie blasters are fitted with a safety protection kit. This includes a top quality independent brass unloader. It includes a thermal dump that protects the pump seals if the unit is left on extended bypass for too long. And finally, it includes a safety valve. So if the unloader jams for any reason, the operator and the pump are protected from any pressure spikes. Our Scuds all feature stainless steel frames which are ergonomically designed. It means they're perfectly balanced, so they're easy to manoeuvre. They have no sharps to snag on clothing or hands. They feature flat-free tyres on steel wheels, and they all come with an optional lifting bar and hose reel mounts for convenience. All the accessories provided are professional grade. This includes a heavy-duty pistol gun with a comfortable extended wand, a stainless steel dual lance with an infinite twist control, and 5000 psi non-marking Aussie Blue Pro wire braid hose. We work hard to ensure that the prices on our units are fair and great value. We don't inflate our prices, so there's no fake margins that dealers can just give away. We've matched each machine with a range of accessories that will help slash cleaning times up to 70%. This includes flat surface cleaners, turbo lances, hose reels and drain cleaning kits, plus many more. You can find the details in our Blaster Blitz catalogue. So now we come to our top 3 selling machines. The baby of the range is our Aussie Pocket Rocket. This is 3000 psi, Honda 6.5 horsepower, and we give away a free turbo with each machine. So that boosts the effective working pressure to about 4700 psi. It's compact and it's powerful. No wonder it's a favourite with tradies. The Aussie AB40 GT is our 4000 psi direct drive machine. It features a big Honda 13 horsepower engine and of course a Scud stainless steel frame. More pressure, that means faster cleaning. Then we come to our Scud 400. This is our heavy duty gearbox drive heavyweight of the cleaning range. Widely used in Australia's hire fleet, extremely robust and available with recoil or electric start. Of course, some sites need diesel drive, and for that our Scud range is available with Yamaha diesel engines and also in a mine spec configuration. All our units are backed up with great sales and service support, so we can help you choose the right machine for the application. We have friendly, dedicated customer support staff and great spares availability. Of course, our full range includes units up to 7200 psi. We also do electric and hydraulic drive blasters and a range of hot water and steam cleaners. The best source of information about our pressure cleaner range is our Blaster Blitz catalogue, which is available online, or you can call us for a hard copy. We have an extensive dealer network across the country that stock and supply our blaster range. You can check for your local dealer using our website.